you how I usually charge my GoPro 13. As you can see here, there's a charging door. You just put it up and push it. Now, as you can see here, there's our battery, and here's the charging port. You take your USB-C cable and just insert it in, and then you can see it's charging. But this door is kind of nuisance, so the Creator Edition actually comes with an extra door. So you just pull this, take the other door, you see this part, you put it in there and then push it down. Now you take your USB-C cable and you just put it in, and it will just start charging. And the thing that I like about the GoPro Hero 13 is that first, it's tiny, that it has good quality, and if you have the headgear, you can put it on your head and you can just record. And it's actually waterproof, so you can like swim underwater with it, show how it looks under the water without it spoiling.